Hello, guys. Good morning. It is Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com, Santarelli Trading Exchange. Hope everyone's having a great Tuesday. Here is our pre-market video. I have a few things I wanted to go over with you guys. We got about a minute until opening bell here, so let's go over some of this stuff, give the markets a chance to catch up with all the news going on here, and let's get started. So first off, guys, welcome to Breaking Chart Alerts. Those of you that are new, you could use promo code CHALLENGE for 30% off the yearly membership. I am Dave Santarelli, President and CEO of Breaking Chart Alerts. Nice to have you with us here today. And let's see here. All right, so first things first, guys, let's go over the top news here that's happening today, okay? So top news that's going on, as you guys can see here, private companies added 330,000 jobs in July, far short of the 653,000 estimate. That's why you're seeing the markets pull back a little bit here. We have GM, General Motors, misses Wall Street's second quarter earnings expectations, but they raise the 2021 guidance. Yellen says, pass Biden agenda to keep the U.S. world's top economic superpower, and Citi downgrades U.S. stocks, saying high rates will pressure tech stocks here. So we have that as one of the top ones. Next one here, General Motors. Missed the consensus estimate of $2.23 per share with an adjusted second quarter profit of $1.97 per share, though revenue did top Wall Street forecasts. GM did raise its forecast for the remainder of the year based on strong demand and pricing. GM initially fell 3% in pre-market, but then bounced back to recover most of those losses there. Next one here, CVS earned an adjusted $2.42 per share for the second quarter, beating the $2.06 consensus estimate, with revenue beating forecasts as well. The drugstore pharmacy benefits company also saw same-store sales rise a better than expected 12.3% separately. Separately, CVS also announced it was raising its minimum wage for employees to $15 an hour. Kraft Heinz beats by 6 cents. Tupperware, I really don't care about Tupperware there. We'll move on to the next one. The big one is Robinhood. Robinhood shares spiked 24% yesterday. The trading platform stock soared 13.1% in pre-market trading today, and 24% on Tuesday's trading session. It rose above $38 per share IPO price for the first time since going public last Thursday. It was also among yesterday's most heavily traded stocks. Activision beat estimates by 15 cents with adjusted quarterly earnings of 91 cents per share, and the video games producer's revenue was slightly above Wall Street's forecast. It also gave an upbeat forecast anticipating continued strong demand for popular franchises like Candy Crush, Call of Duty. Shares rallied 5.6% in pre-market. Guys, here's something we talked about yesterday, Affirm Holdings. Remember we talked about Square, Affirm Holdings there? Affirm added another 2.4% in pre-market. We're going to end up taking a look at that one today here after jumping 3% yesterday. The payment services shares are getting a boost from a Bloomberg report that it will partner with Apple to offer buy now, pay later services for Canadian purchases of Apple devices. And the big one yesterday was Avis Budget, ticker symbol CAR. Avis Budget rose 1.9% in pre-market trading after reporting what it called the best quarter in the history of the company, with surging demand and higher rental prices leading to tripling in sales. Adjusted earnings per share came to $5.90 compared to a consensus estimate of $1.21. That was a big beat. It smashed through earnings expectations. We've been talking about this quite a while there. So Avis Budget, huge beat. We got to watch these car rental companies. They also talked about raising rental prices and everything and tripling sales. So we're going to take a look at that today. Other news here, Starbucks is giving baristas a raise, increasing minimum wage to $12 an hour in the U.S. stores starting in October. Whoop-dee-doo. All right, top economic events here, guys, for the week here. We already had a few of them come by here, so excuse me. 8:15, the ADP employment numbers came out. That was 628,000 that were forecasted, and we had a big, big miss on that. So tomorrow, as you guys could see here, tomorrow is one of the big ones. Initial jobless claims and then continued jobless claims are going to be coming out tomorrow at 8:30. That's going to be an important one to watch. Here were the top pre-market movers here this morning that we could keep our eyes on. There's the top gainers, the top losers. You guys could take a look at some of these. Nothing really that I saw that really got my attention too much there. But let's move on to the next one here. We have the top upgrades and downgrades here. So here is the top upgrades, downgrades, initiations, and price target changes. Let's start with the upgrades. Got a couple of upgrades. Nothing really too major there. Nothing that really, is sticking out to me besides Under Armour. They got an upgrade from neutral to overweight by JP Morgan. Their price target was changed to $30 a share. That's one that I liked. It wasn't too bad here. Now, if we take a look, here are the top downgrades for the day. We got a couple of them I highlighted there. Akamai Technology, it was trading at $120 a share. It was downgraded by Needham from a buy to a hold. Clorox there was trading at $164.30. It was, it was downgraded from overweight to neutral, but still has a price target of $150, which is about $14 lower than where it's at now. And then Chevron, CVX, current price $102.58 at that time. It was downgraded by DZ Bank to $110 from buy to hold. So there was that one there. And then here's another nice one I want you guys to take a look at as the top initiations. If you guys remember yesterday, we talked about sector rotation coming up, especially for retail stocks going into the holiday season. It always starts usually right around now in August. We'll get that rotation into those holiday stocks here. And you guys could see Victoria's Secrets is upgraded a few times on here. There's a few new initiations, I should say, by Wells Fargo and Morgan Stanley. Shares of Victoria's Secret, ticker symbol VSCO, was last trading at $57.24. Wells Fargo upgraded that to $100 a share to overweight rating. That's a big move there. And Morgan Stanley did the same thing, overweight rating, and they raised their price target to $76 a share. That's a big one there. So that's one I definitely want to keep an eye on. I'm going to write that down right now. VSCO. That's going to be one we're going to be taking a look at here. All right. So we got those top upgrades, downgrades. Now what I want to do quick is go over the top performing sectors here. Okay. So here's the ratings from the top down. We got information technology, industrials, materials, healthcare, financials, real estate, energy, consumer staples, consumer discretionary, utilities, and communication services. Now the one that we usually look at right here is that one. As you guys could see right here, the top ones are consumer discretionary. This is the past week best performing sectors and industries. So we can see consumer discretionaries, energy, capital goods, healthcare, technology, basic materials, conglomerates, and financials. So we're going to be taking a look at those today, see what's going on. And then our last thing here for the pre-market video, here is the top stocks that Wall Street has been looking at here that we could certainly take a look at and see if we want to make any changes here and see if we want to do anything here. So once again, Robinhood was one of the top ones. Robinhood, Advanced Micro Devices, and Corsair Gaming are among the stocks seeing the highest interest on Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum as of Tuesday night. What happened? Online brokerage Robinhood has emerged as the most discussed stock on the forum with 1,010 mentions, followed by exchange traded fund ETF SPY with 791 mentions during the last 24 hours. Data from Quiver Quantitative showed. chip maker Advanced Micro Devices, and gaming equipment Corsair Gaming are in the third and fourth positions, having attracted 457 and 332 mentions on the forum, respectively. The other stocks that are trending on the forum include video game retailer GameStop, movie theater chain AMC, biotechnology company Moderna, and electric vehicle company Tesla. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba Holdings and medical insurance technology company Clover Health were also some of the top ones on there. So with that being said, I'd love for you guys to come join us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Search for it for Breaking Chart Alerts. And come join us, guys. You guys could follow us on Facebook and on YouTube. Go to Breaking Chart Alerts. Follow us. And let's see what we could do there, okay? Let me see. I think I have one more thing here. I don't think. I think that was it. So make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then also, if you guys go to our website, you guys could go subscribe for our free daily newsletter. And with that daily newsletter, this email is going to end up being sent out to you every single day. We're working on that right now. So go to our website, breakingchartalerts.com, sign up for the free newsletter. And I think it's much better than getting something like this that we used to send out here, the daily newsletter. We're still going to end up doing that, but this video I think is going to help you guys much more and get you guys prepared here for the day. All righty, guys, so that's about it. Again, I'm Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com, Santarelli Trading Exchange. Hope everyone has a great day here. The markets are open. Let's see here. Let's see what we got here going on. So we take a look at Apple. Apple's still on the climb. Square's pulling back a bit down. Let's see here. Our Baidu trade's actually taking off nicely. Our Apple trade's taking off nice. Baidu's doing well. CVX down about 800. Disney down about 500 there. So let's see. Where is Square? Square not too bad. We're only down about $200 on Square. Waiting for that. It's still not doing too much there. Early on in the day, we'll keep an eye on Square. But one stock I do definitely want to take a look at here is Victoria's Secret that we were just talking about. So if we put this up here, VSCO, here is Victoria's Secret. The stock's up 6.47% here today. This is definitely going to be one I want to keep an eye on. $62.19 a share right now. I mean, this one was upgraded to $100, so I think this one's going to continue to break out here, guys. I want to keep an eye on this. I might even pick up some shares. Let's see if we have any options on Victoria's Secret here. There's really not too much coming in, you know, for August. Let's see September. Look at the open interest and volume on here. So you got to be cautious and watch that, because obviously look at the difference between the bid and the ask. You got a bid of $6.40 on the 65s and an ask of $11. You know, I mean, that's almost that's over a 40% difference there from the bid and the ask, where you could buy it and where you could sell it. So you really got to be focused in on that open interest total volume and have a tight spread between the bid and the ask there if you're going to be jumping in. Never go for the ask price. Always do a limit order between the midpoint there. But as far as Victoria's Secret's concerned right now, not much open interest, not much total volume. So that's one that I would be staying away from. Apple here. Let's go down a few of our stocks here, a few of our positions. Apple doesn't look too bad there, holding above that 20. It was just green there and looking pretty good. Let's take a look at Baidu, B-I-D-U. That's got earnings coming up. Baidu's getting a nice little climb there. Remember yesterday I was talking about that, getting a nice little pop. If we could break above that 10 by today and then by tomorrow for sure, that'll be looking good there, because we have that Baidu 170 straight call. We paid very little for that. So if we could get that to start to move there, that is going to be a great stock to jump into. Let's see. For that Baidu, August 6th, let's see, what did we pay there? We paid $3.57. So if that gets up to about $175 by Friday, that'll be looking pretty good. Let's see what Bob is doing here. Bob is another one getting a big pop there. I expect Baidu to continue here as well. Baidu had earnings the other day, so it had a big drop. Now she's popping. And you guys see she's being pushed on Wall Street bets there. So that's something you definitely got to keep in. You got to be kidding me. I think my volume was off that entire time, guys. Man, that really sucked. I just looked at the comments and no volume that entire time. That's what I hate about this mic. When you shut off the computer, this $600 microphone, it automatically puts it on mute when you restart it, and I keep forgetting to shut that off. But anyway, you guys saw that. I'm not going to go through that again there, but I'll remember that for tomorrow. I never make the same mistake twice. So that will not happen again tomorrow. Sorry about that. When I restart it, it automatically does that. So sorry about that, guys. But hopefully you guys will see the well, you won't see the captions on it, but yeah, sorry about that, Gazer Tyler. I definitely did. All right. Well, I'll do that. I'll redo that on Zoom with you guys now here, but unless you guys just want me to do it quick again, or if you want to just start trading, it's 9:49 now. If you guys want me to run through it quick while the volume's on, let me know. Otherwise, let's get to trading here. Alrighty, sounds good. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Sorry about that volume issue there. It's not going to happen again. But have a great day, guys. And make sure you guys like, subscribe. I'm sure you're not going to like and subscribe now after you didn't hear nothing. But sorry about that. But it'll be fixed tomorrow morning. Alrighty, guys, take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.